our YouTube viewer many times ask us very simple question like how to cut our past karmic bondages, what to do so that we get rid of all these things and get rid of all the cycle of reincarnation. My simple suggestion is that to start with very basic meditation. Meditation, you can start with the chanting, for example. You may start chanting the Gayatri mantra, you may start chanting the Mahamrityunjay mantra or chanting of the Om. All these meditation make you the basic meditation or chanting. They clear the basics and clear the chattering of the mind. The mind is constantly wandering and try to cut that off, and then you can enter into the subtle meditation. All these meditations, starting from the Gayatri Mantra, Om chanting, Mahamrityunjay Mantra, or the higher level meditations like seven chakra meditation, Ajapajap meditation, and Anahat Nath meditation. These all meditation contribute to cutting off all the karmic bondages. At the same time, I also suggest to do the prayer of forgiveness. Prayer of forgiveness is simply mean asking for the forgiveness of whatever bad deed I have done in the past. So that is the second thing to start with. And at the same time, do some charity as much as possible. Whatever you can do for the needy, for the poor one, because the universe wants you to give the positive things you have, right? If you give the positive, obviously some of the negative karma that they are going to appear in your life, their effect will be reduced and you will feel a much smoother life. So what I suggest you is that start from all the basic things. The prayer of forgiveness is given on our Mission Genius Mind channel. If you can follow that, you will be really it will be really very helpful. And do charity. And when you do charity, please do not announce it to so many people. Do like at a higher level, at your level only, and at the same time ask for forgiveness. That's the best thing to cut off your karmic bondages. The time will come when all these things will vanish and you will achieve the state of self-realization. So I suppose that you understand my point. So thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.